Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wished there was one app that could instantly search smarter than Google, do detailed research for you, and even create presentation slides right on your phone? What if I told you such an app exists and it's called Agnes AI? Today, I'll show you how this mobile app works and how you can use its three powerful features: search, research, and AI slides. Let's start with the search feature. I'll enter the prompt. Robots teach children programming skills. After hitting generate, Agnes quickly processes and shows me a full explanation. It highlights how robots can help kids learn programming, the benefits for education, and how this trend is shaping the future of learning. So instead of random search results, you get clear and organized insights. Next up is the research feature. Here, I'll type Top 10 Startups in Southeast Asia 2025. Once I hit generate, Agnes gives me a structured list with details about each startup, their industry, and why they're important in 2025. This is perfect if you're a student, a professional, or just someone exploring business trends. Finally, let's try the AI slides feature. I'll enter the prompt, Rise of AI in Education. Agnes processes it and generates a complete slide deck with headings, points, and visuals, all ready for presentation directly on my phone. And that's how simple it is to use the Agnes AI mobile app. Now let's move on to Agnes web version. Agnes has four main features: search, research, AI slides, and AI design. Let's start with search. I typed best social media trends for business in 2025. Then I clicked the search button and hit generate. You can also upload files, PDFs, images, or documents to give Agnes extra context. Within seconds, Agnes processes the request and returns a full, structured answer. It breaks the result into helpful parts like authenticity, user-generated content ideas, experimental formats, interactive features, and platform-specific strategies. In short, you don't get random facts. You get an organized plan you can actually use. Next is research. There are two modes here: wide research and deep research. I first tried wide research with the prompt. Compare Web 3 versus Web 2 in terms of business opportunities and challenges. After hitting generate and pressing the play icon, Agnes presented a broad multi-angle overview, perfect for getting the big picture fast. Then I switched to deep research with the same prompt. Deep research went step by step. First it showed the planning phase, then the actual researching phase, and finally, detailed findings. It dug into Web3 business ideas in detail, things like Web3 gaming platforms, blockchain use cases, token models, and how Web3 compares to Web2 in real business terms. It literally shows each part of the process, so you can see where conclusions came from and use the research directly in a report or presentation. Now, let's try AI slides. I typed slide about the rise of AI in healthcare with stats and visuals and hit generate. After a short processing time, Agnes created a full slide deck based on my prompt. Slides, headings, suggested visuals, and stats all laid out. The results matched my request and were ready to use or edit. Finally, AI design. I went to AI design and typed logo design for a futuristic AI-driven fitness app. I clicked generate, and waited while the system processed. When it finished, Agnes presented multiple logo options that matched my prompt. Clean, modern, and ready to download or tweak. So that's Agnes AI in action. You can quickly get wide or deep answers, build ready-to-use slides, and generate design assets like logos, all from simple prompts. The link is in the video description if you want to try it yourself. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments which Agnes feature you want me to test next. Should I try longer prompts, upload a PDF, or build a full pitch deck? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.